If you want your application to use Wi-Fi only, in this video I'll show how to disable mobile data for WhatsApp on your Samsung. So as you see, when I'm using Wi-Fi, it works and the messages are going through. However, if I'll turn it off, I'm connected to mobile internet. However, if I'll send a message, it won't work. So let's go to it. To do that, open up your settings. After that, we're gonna scroll down to your Connections tab. Here, find your Data Usage tab, open it up. Find your Allowed Network for apps and choose your desired application. In my case, I will be restricting our WhatsApp. So find your WhatsApp, tap on it, and here choose Wi-Fi only. Now, once again, if I'm gonna send a message through Wi-Fi, it will work perfectly. However, if I'll switch to my mobile internet, nothing would work. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.